It's the day after Christmas and I am blessed. I got my exhaust the day before Christmas. We got the valved exhaust with the 2 option of opening and closing the valved exhaust. I chose this option because it is quiet. I'm driving, you know, through the neighborhood and I don't want to piss off my neighbors. I like it because when you go full throttle, you get the meanness, the aggressiveness, the throatiness. This is a 2.5-inch test pipe, and they're going to be replacing the stock catalytic converter. Alright guys, not that you care to hear about my review, I'm going to give you a short one the best I can. First, let's go over the 2-port exhaust. The low end is great. With the valve closed, I can ride around my neighborhood and it not annoy my neighbors. Cool. Then we open it up and as you saw in the video, it's just an animal. It breathes fire, it's fast, it's moving, and it echoes. So as you guys can see, you get the best of both worlds. Low end, high end, low throttle, full throttle. Another cool feature about the ECS 2-port exhaust is you get a remote. I mean, you could turn this thing on and off at any time. The shutting of the exhaust is instant. So for instance, that cop sneaks up on you, you press the button, it's dropping down and it's quiet.
But I will say on the honest note, the opening of the exhaust does take a moment, probably 10 seconds, to get the full effect of the exhaust. Another cool part of the exhaust is it's really low key. Do you see the valves in the exhaust? I mean, I myself, I've been behind it. If you're looking for it, you might see something, but other than that, it's pretty quiet and you can catch some cars off guard depending on your stance, of course. Now guys, let's focus on the cons. What's bad about this exhaust? Really, there's only two problems that I saw so far. The installation wasn't that bad, but it is a little bit of painstaking task. As you guys will see in the video, my wife helped me out, and without my wife, or at least somebody there, you're not gonna be able to do it. It is impossible without two hands. As a consumer, I think the biggest downfall of this exhaust is the vibration. The in-cabin noise is unbearable at times as far as vibration. Not even noise or drone. It just literally vibrates everything. So I've reached out to ECS and we're working together to come up with a solution. Well, I'll keep you updated how that goes. Overall, I feel the exhaust is the best bang for your buck and also is the most controllable with your exhaust note without being that raspy. I want to know your guys' opinions. What do you guys think about the exhaust? Was it loud, not loud enough? Sound off below and let me know what you think.